Export settings for YouTube in Premiere Pro. Hello YouTube creators, want your videos to look their best on YouTube? Let's explore the best export settings in Premiere Pro to ensure optimal quality and compatibility for YouTube. Let's dive in. Start by setting up your sequence settings to match YouTube's recommended specifications. Use a resolution of 1920 x 1080 pixels. 1080p and a frame rate of 30 frames per second. Navigate to File, Export Media to open the Export Settings window in Premiere Pro. Choose H.264 as the format for the preset. Select Match Source High Bitrate or YouTube 1080p Full HD to maintain excellent quality. Set the bitrate encode into VBR2 pass with a target bitrate of 8 MB and a maximum bitrate of 10 MB. Ensure the profile is set to high and the level to 4.2. For audio, select AAC as the format with a bitrate of 320 KB per second. Make sure the sample rate is set to 48 kHz and the audio channels to stereo. Choose the destination folder where you want to save your exported video and give it a descriptive name. Double check your export settings, then click on the export button to start the exporting process. Once the export is complete, upload your video to YouTube. Ensure that you're using an appropriate title, description, and tags to optimize your video's discoverability. Congratulations, you've successfully exported your video with the best settings for YouTube in Premiere Pro. Now share your content with the world and engage with your audience on YouTube. Happy creating. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.